Some time ago I found an abandoned car service with foreign cars. Today I visited a second part of that building and found more abandoned cars, tools and car parts. Happy viewing! Hello everyone. Some time ago I posted a video from an abandoned car service, and today I found second part of this service. So let's explore it. This was probably a growing tent. They tried to grow something here. Probably workers smoked this. Oh, fifth place in a hockey competition, 2012, 10 years ago. And some coins. Oh, some LEDs, we had them in 2014, but now we have euros in our country. But the most interesting room is this one. Here we can see an abandoned cars and abandoned car service. Well, they took some parts from this car. Oh, it is opened. Nissan Pathfinder, a good off-road car. And here we can see one more car. I don't know which brand it is. Oh, it's an English Opel, Vauxhall. So we can see miles. And the manual one gearbox. Well, it's very comfortable here. Probably it was also an English car. English numbers. Opel Insignia. Nice car. And here we can see some parts. Well, they are brand new. And here were many sizes of them. One box, one type of size. Well, actually, I don't know really well the process of repairing cars, so actually I can't speak about some equipment which I can see here, but I think that for people who know something about that, will be very interesting to watch my video. Here we can see some oils and liquids, and they are full. It's full. Some oils, technical liquids. Oh, also some tools, some more tools, more equipment, and more other things. This was a table for workers. Some very big keys. Well, I didn't know that workers used such big keys for repairing cars, because I think such big keys are constructed for trains or trucks, but not for cars. Some more keys and some more parts. Oh, it's also quite new. Oh, probably one of workers played hockey, because here I can see a hockey stick, and there we had a cup from hockey competitions. So now I want to try out this off-road car. Oh, it is going very easy. But this one is a Latvian car, so speedometer is in kilometers, and it is also, yeah, it is also manual gearbox, and it is quite good condition inside this car, and also quite comfortable. So as we can see, here is the empty bottle from a beer, and it is dated by 2016. So probably this place is abandoned for about 6 years. It is unbelievable that it is in so good condition, but probably not many people knows about this place, and it is quite good secured. So here we can see one more bottle from beer, and it is also dated by 2016. Well, I managed to get into the other side of this building, so let's see what happens here. Oh, this is probably a storage with some cars and truck parts. Brand new. and every part is named and with its own number. Well, looks quite interesting. And here are quite many of those parts. I think this could be not abandoned building, but working one. Oh, very big chain. And here are many of them. Many chains and other parts for cars and trucks. This was a toilet, I guess. An old one toilet. Yes, it's really abandoned. We can see a dust here. It looks not pretty. It is written here, the main engineer. This probably was used for some medicaments and medicine. Oh. Wow. Look at this. Abandoned cars and farm trucks. The cars are dusty, but those farm trucks, I guess, are not abandoned. So here somewhere could be a guards. It is a very big one. Some equipment for work. Well, I guess really this part is not abandoned. And one more truck is here. And 2 cars. A Nissan Pathfinder. It's quite dusty inside. Well, it's the same one as I saw in the previous one service. And one more Ford with Great Britain numbers, I guess. But this one is with Latvian numbers. And also here we can see a sign with hockey team from Latvia called Dinamo Riga. I think one of workers or maybe the owner of those buildings is a fan of hockey. So one more pickup. Right one steering wheel. And also looks quite dusty inside.